Welcome to 13064 West Big Oak Street, tucked inside the award-winning Trilogy at Vistancia. This beautifully maintained home sits on an oversized cul-de-sac lot with breathtaking mountain views. As you enter through the gated front courtyard, you're greeted with a warm and inviting first impression that sets the tone for what's inside. Inside, you'll find a spacious great room, a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a welcoming breakfast bar, and a cozy eat and dining area, designed for everyday comfort and easy entertaining. The primary bedroom is a bright, peaceful escape with a charming bay window and plenty of space to unwind. Step into the ensuite bath featuring dual vanities and a sleek walk-in shower with a premium glass door. And just beyond, a generous walk-in closet offers all the storage you need with room to spare. Guests will love the inviting second bedroom and full guest bath, private, comfortable, and ready for company. Need extra space? The den includes a custom built-in Murphy bed and shelving, perfect for visitors or hobbies. Step outside to your private patio, where the sunsets are magical. Enjoy a built-in barbecue, cozy outdoor fireplace, and unobstructed mountain views that truly make this backyard one of a kind. And just beyond your doorstep lies the Kiva Clubhouse, a vibrant hub of activity and connection. Immerse yourself in the thrill of competition on the tennis and pickleball courts, or surrender to the serenity of the spa, where relaxation awaits at every turn. Dine with friends, lounge by the pool, or explore the lush greens of the golf course, where every swing is a testament to the joy of living. Trilogy invites you to experience the beauty, the luxury, and the endless possibilities of life within its embrace. This thoughtfully designed home offers breathtaking views, high-end custom upgrades, and a location that perfectly balances peace and convenience. From the moment you arrive to the last rays of a sunset on your private patio, every detail invites comfort and connection. Schedule your private tour today, because your next chapter deserves to begin somewhere extraordinary.